Before we start working on our first application, we have to decide what microcontroller chip we want to use, and today we are going to pick a development board that will suit this series. To start, let's have a look on a list of available Cortex-M based boards. For this, we'll use ARM Embed Platform website and the list of dev boards in there. Keep in mind, this is not a full list of Cortex-M boards, and I doubt there's any list containing all existing boards. Anyway, I think this is a good place to start with. Additionally, I will add 2 more boards that are not on this list but still are very popular. To make it a little bit easier, let's introduce some selection criteria: size, price, and community. Small board size reduces amount of components later not used in custom projects, simultaneously lowering price of the board. Additionally, it will be much easier to apply such small board in projects. Low price, I think, is the most important criteria in case of our Cortex-M series. This will make it easier for everyone to get his board and start developing all applications using knowledge gained by watching the series videos. Even in case of breaking something, it won't hurt that much to buy a new board. Small price also implies faster community growth, availability of many frameworks and libraries, and amount of people willing to help anytime. On the other hand, over popularity may lead to appearance of fakes and clones that have nothing to do with original product. As an example of such phenomena, we can use original Arduino boards and their countless clones, or STM32 global board with fake chips. Let me quickly do some pre-selection. I have also added a chip board called WeAct 3.0 Black Pill, and as a reference, already mentioned and very popular Blue Pill. Both these boards are not on the embed list. Now that we have our boards pre-selected, let's introduce an additional criteria, and that is peripherals. I would like to have a bunch of available peripherals to show you as much as possible on how to program things. There are some peripherals that all of these chips have: GPIO, timers, ADC, UART, DMA, SPI, I2C, but those are basics. Let's get something more advanced: SDIO, RTC, USB, CAN, FPU, and DSP. FPU and DSP are peripherals provided not by chip vendor, but it's part of the core itself. Therefore, we need to go with Cortex-M4 series, as from what we got here, only M4s have FPU and DSP. Let's add some filters. Okay, we get our board. What's the price? That is definitely not a cheap board. We have to fall back a little and first sort by price. What's the cheapest one now? Of course, the Blue Pill, the one that has many fakes and clones. But we need Cortex-M4 to get FPU and DSP. Now, first is the Black Pill. The only minor issue with this board is that it's missing CAN, but we can live with that. $4 for a board is a good price. Its size is 21 by 53 mm, so it's fairly small. And I think its popularity is constantly growing, as it's commonly said to be a refreshed and more powerful successor of the well-known Blue Pill board. We got a winner! Now that we have our board selected and the development environment installed, we are ready to go with our first application. So thanks for watching and see you next time!